Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Simple harmonic motion occurs when the net force is directly proportional to the displacement from the mean position and is always directed towards the mean position. Simple harmonic motion has following important features. A body executing simple harmonic motion always vibrates about a fixed position and point. Students, you know very well that a fixed position or a point is that point about which a body vibrates or back to and forth. Second point is acceleration is always directed towards the mean position. The third point of properties or feature is this, that the magnitude of acceleration is always directly proportional to its displacement from the mean position. That is, acceleration will be zero at the mean position while it will be maximum at the extreme position. Students, why at the mean position the acceleration will be zero? Because you know that acceleration is directly proportional to the displacement from the mean position. So you know that at mean position, when the body will be at mean position, there would be no displacement. So when no displacement, then it's mean no acceleration. While at extreme position, the body will have maximum displacement. That's why it will have maximum acceleration. Number 4 point is its velocity of vibrating body, or the body which is having simple harmonic motion. Its velocity will be maximum at the mean position and zero at the extreme position. Okay students, now we have to discuss the basic terms related to simple harmonic motion. So the first term is vibration, and the vibration is one complete round trip of a vibrating body about its mean position is called one vibration. The second term is time period. It is represented by capital T, and what it is, the time taken by a vibrating body to complete one vibration is called time period. The third term is frequency, represented by small f, and it is the number of one vibration or cycles of a vibrating body. The number of vibrations or cycles of a vibrating body in 1 second is called its frequency, and it is the reciprocal of time period, that is f is equals to 1 by t. The fourth term is amplitude. What is amplitude? The maximum displacement of a vibrating body on either sides from its mean position is called its amplitude.